I am Leo Wang, and today we're diving into the complex and often conflicting signals driving the market. On one hand, we have macroeconomic pressures, while on the other, key corporations are making significant positive strides. First, let's look at the big picture. Recent data indicates that inflation picked up again in June. The Consumer Price Index, a broad measure of costs for goods and services, rose and pushed the 12-month inflation rate to 2.7%. While this figure was in line with some forecasts, it represents the highest annual rate since February and remains above the Federal Reserve's 2% target. This development could pressure the central bank to maintain its current interest rate stance, which typically impacts sectors sensitive to borrowing costs, such as real estate and consumer discretionary goods. However, countering this cautionary economic news, the technology sector has delivered some major wins. There's significant positive news for Nvidia, as the chip designer has confirmed it will soon resume sales of its advanced H20 AI chips to China. This follows productive discussions and assurances from government officials, a move that removes a major market uncertainty and reopens a critical avenue for growth. This development is seen as a significant catalyst for the company and the broader semiconductor industry. In another major corporate development, MP Materials saw its stock surge after securing a landmark deal with Apple. The agreement, valued at around $500 million, involves a multi-year commitment for Apple to purchase rare earth magnets for its products. This not only provides a massive boost for MP Materials, but also signals a strategic shift towards strengthening the domestic supply chain for these critical components. And it's not just tech making waves. The financial sector is also showing signs of strength. JP Morgan Chase reported earnings that beat estimates for the sixth consecutive quarter. Company leadership pointed to a resilient economy as a key factor, offering a dose of optimism for the market's overall health. So, what does this all mean? We're seeing a market pulled in two distinct directions. Persistent inflation data creates macroeconomic headwinds and uncertainty around future Federal Reserve policy. At the same time, major players like Nvidia, Apple, and JP Morgan are demonstrating remarkable strength through strategic deals and solid earnings. The key factors to watch will be the next set of inflation figures and any further developments in global technology trade policies.